All right, y'all. We've got the new seats in, or the new seats cover. I got these off of Amazon. It was like one of the more popular brands. It was like Huida, or it started with an H. Right here. Huidasource or some shit. Right. But we definitely gonna clean the chairs first. Again. One last time. Ooh, okay, looking clean. Damn, Odin, how do you have your drool on it already? All right, nice. Headrest. Much better than, let me see. These are the rear ones then? They don't really fit. Either way, whatever. We're gonna get those on, we're gonna clean. This one don't spray like the turtle wax one. It's got some nice cushioning, I'll tell you that. Comes with these like hooks, right? And also like these things too. Let's see how to do this. So, okay, so we're gonna hook 3 of these onto one of those. Okay, fairly simple. Take this, loop it into here. All right. Just like that. And you shove it to the bottom. All right, I don't feel like videotaping the whole thing, but basically, you know, you understand. I'm put on the bottoms, you know, top, then you put it on the bottom, strap it to the, you know, the bar, yada, yada, yada. You know what, let me actually just show you how to put on the bottom ones. So, right, you're gonna unclip these. Okay. Slide this over, but we're gonna slide this underneath, right? Let's push this all the way down. Grab it from the other end, yeah. Right? To be honest, I thought I was gonna cover more of the seat, because as you can see, it has a little bit of the an edge. I mean, a little bit of the gray seeping out the original seat, right? I went ahead and I buckled it behind the seat buckle, right? This hopefully it doesn't get in the way. And you just take these hooks, right? And it says the hook underneath the bar. So the little bar that moves you forward and back. You would take these, right? There's like a slight opening. A very slight So basically I just, drew them back here, hooked them onto wherever I can find, to be honest. There is an opening right here. There we go. Yeah. That's how the seat's looking. Hopefully it'll smooth itself out and mold to the seat for a while, after a while. We got on the bottom seats. They're a little, we'll see how they fit inside the truck, right? See, this is me. I always forget to videotape. Wiping away any grime. Pick up all that dirt. It's looking a little better. All right, we got the bottom seats. I kind of broke the strap already for the back seats, but they on though. And it's looking real clean. I broke the strap on this side, on the 40% side. I mean 60%, whatever, right? And yeah, you don't really need it. You kind of do, but you kind of don't. Overall, the interior is getting there. Wipe down everything again. It's looking real clean. It smells like Lysol in here. So, still need to clean the bed even more, but that's soon to come.